Hello everybody, today I'm going to teach you about a new software called Epic Pen. Great software for teachers and students wanting to learn or teach online material. What we do is you would go into Google and you would type www.epic-pen.com. Once you enter the website, this is the page that will pop up. Next thing you would do is download for free. This is a free download, does not charge anything. There is no passwords required or logins. Okay, so once you have downloaded it for free, what you would do is open this window in the bottom left corner, and you would press the Run button. Accept the agreement, press Next, and create a desktop shortcut. Make sure it is checked for your convenience. You will press Next, and then you will come to this window for Ready to Install. Once you have completed, you press Install, and it will automatically install this software to your computer. Since I have already installed it, I will press Cancel, and I will show you on the desktop where you find it. Once it has completed, you will find this icon on your desktop. You would double click, and then here it is. Okay, you can leave it on your toolbar. You can leave the toolbar here, use it for anything you would like to use it for. But since we need it and it is useful for online material, let's go back to Google, and let's take the theoretical situation where I'm the teacher, you're the student, and I'm interested in teaching you, covering some material on the story Thank You Ma'am by Langston Hughes. You see this toolbar, it can go to any side. You can move it around for your convenience, up and down, left to right. And you have the pen. Here's the pen. Okay, here you have a choice of colors. Let's choose pink. Let's choose yellow. Okay, so here I've chosen yellow. Here I will choose the however I need it. If I want it to be really thick to maybe hide something that I don't want you to see, I will choose this and I will just mark it out. Okay, you can obviously undo. Okay, if you would like to make it really fine, in case let's change it to a different color and you want to write it here, you would write here, I don't know, let's say paragraph 1, okay? And you want to write here. You can use this fine pen, make it as thick as you need it. Play with all the colors, whichever color you have here, all different colors. You can mark, you can scribble, you can undo, you can erase whatever if you've made some sort of mistake, erase it. If, let's go back here, let's make it this. If you have marked and are done, okay, I'm just scribbling to show you how we can use it. Okay, let's change colors. Okay, I've went over all the material, marked what was necessary. I wanted it to save, to show it, to save it for my study days. I need it in the future, and I'll need it later on. Then you have an option here. Okay, you can take a screenshot right here. It'll save it to wherever you need to save it on your desktop, or in any folder you choose. You can just hit save, name it. You can save this and forward it to all your students. If you're a student, you want to take notes and you want to forward it to a friend, then this is opportunity. Okay. You can delete everything all at once instead of erasing it. If let's go back to the pen. Okay, if you've made your changes, okay, let's use the screen. Okay, if one moment. Okay, let's say you have made all the changes you need to make. Okay, right here, there's an example. Okay, and you mark it, you can change the colors. We said you can erase it, all of it at once. You can undo, obviously, the last thing, or if there's, you can erase just half of this if you want it to be, if you do not want it to be that, if you just made a mistake, you can erase only part of it. Okay, and if you choose, okay, you can save it. If you choose that you would like to open up another folder to work on something else, you can do the cursor icon, and then you are free to open other websites. Okay, let's delete this after you have saved the changes. Okay, you can go open new websites, and if you do not need first of all, the Epic Pen can also be used on Google. If you choose that you want to explain how to use Google, you may use it. It's also a tool for that. You can use it on any Word document or any other document that you would like. This is great for online, for using materials online. If you've completed, okay, what I'm going to do is delete all this. And you don't need it at the current moment. You can shut the eye. You could place the icon at any corner. Okay, if you do not need it, if you close, it'll still be here. You can use it. If you would like to explain how to use just a normal desktop, let's make this a little bit thicker. Let's make it yellow, and we can show anything. Use it for almost anything on or offline. Okay, I'm going to delete this. Okay, so let's sum up and say that we are done, and we will not be needing to take any more notes. We will not be needing it here on our desktop because we have the icon here. So we will right click on the small icon on the bottom, close this window, and you are done. Thank you. Enjoy.